Okay guys, I've got a really powerful software here that we're launching, and it allows you to rank for multiple keywords with YouTube videos. Now this is really important because it can give us so many strategies that we can work with that I'm going to demonstrate for you in this video that is just going to blow your mind. I mean, it's really mind-blowing stuff what we can do with this strategy that we have automated, and with the on-page optimization that we have automated as well. So essentially what we're doing is we're using playlists to rank videos, okay? We're using playlists to rank our videos for multiple keywords within YouTube. Now, the key to this, and the beauty of this, is that it takes just one click to be able to do this for multiple keywords, but the key to this is that we can use multiple keyword strategies. So for example, I can use this for ranking for sort of how-to videos and stuff like that. Okay, so you can see here this keyword here, YouTube SEO. The next keyword here, YouTube SEO software. The next one is video SEO tools. Now if I go into the rank checker, okay, what I can do is come in here and you can see that we're ranking for these playlists. Okay, the playlist is actually ranking in YouTube, and the next three is the videos that are ranking for those keywords in YouTube as well. So we are ranking for multiple keywords with the click of a button. Really powerful stuff. And how it works is we take a keyword and we build a title around the keyword. Okay, so we use an exact match keyword within a title, and we use that as a search parameter, that main keyword. And when we're searching YouTube, we pull the top ranked videos in YouTube, and you can determine, you can tell the software whether you want the top 5 videos, the top 10 videos, etc., top 15, whatever you want. Okay, you tell the software, and the software will make the playlist for you. And what happens then is it will put your video at the top. Okay, so what happens is we are hijacking on the rankings and traffic for those particular keyword phrases. Okay, and secondly, what we're actually doing is we're getting YouTube to curate our content, and then we are aligning our content with that content that Google and that YouTube has actually kind of curated for us. So this is really powerful stuff. So you can see I've done it again with another video down here. This one is page 1 rankings in minutes. This was a little case study I did as part of the course that we're giving with this particular launch. Okay, and this is basically on-page optimization stuff, and I just put this together very quickly. Page 1 YouTube rankings in minutes, YouTube on-page SEO, etc., how to optimize YouTube videos, etc. And when I come into the rank checker here, you will see that we start to rank for these keywords. Some of them we're still waiting for rankings to come for the video, and as we come down we've got others that are ranking. Okay, but that's not even the most powerful part of this. Okay, so when we come over here, I did say I was going to show you some stuff that is really going to blow your mind, and this is really incredible stuff here, because what I've done is I've taken a very competitive keyword term. Okay, compare car insurance, okay, is the term. So you can see here that in the blue writing, the keyword that we are targeting: compare car insurance in Alabama, compare car insurance in Alaska, compare car insurance in Arizona, all the way down to Wyoming. 50 US states I've got in here. Okay, and when we come into the rank checker and we start to scroll down here, just come up here, you can see compare car insurance Alabama, okay, Alaska page 1, Arizona page 1, Arkansas page 1, and just keep clicking on this. You can see I'm going all the way down. There's 1 missing, 2 missing. Out of 50 US states, I'm ranking for 48, all the way down at the bottom. Let's go back up again so you can see that. So we're ranking 48 keywords out of 50 for the keywords compare car insurance in US states, and that's a competitive market. Okay, so this is how we can really use this to be able to rank for multiple keywords that will be able to drive a lot of traffic, and we can use multiple strategies with it as well. So we can use it for local SEO, we can use it for product launches, review posts and review videos and stuff like that, and we can use it for e-com, and we can use it for Amazon and products and things like that as well. So very powerful tool, and it's not complicated to use. It's really super simple to use, and I'll do a separate demo video for that. Okay, so at the end of the day, it's really simple. 1 click of a button and we can go and rank for really competitive keywords in a very, very high traffic platform for multiple keywords with one single video with the click of a button. Powerful stuff. Thank you.